How to access your serial number on your iPhone. There are two major ways you can access your serial number on your iPhone. The first one is tap on the settings icon, then go ahead and tap on general, then tap on about button. You have access to your name, your serial number and model number on your iPhone. That is the first method to access this on your device. The second method is to go to the settings button again, tap on it, then tap on your name at the top of the screen, then scroll up until you get to the iPhone you are using. Here I'm using iPhone 12 Pro Max for this video. Tap on that button. Just wait a few seconds for this page to load up. Now you have access to your iPhone and other important information like the serial number, IMEI number and the model of your phone. That is the simple process, guys, on how to access the serial number on your iPhone using two different methods. If you enjoyed this tip and if not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.